Hello guys, welcome back. So I have been away for a couple of days, because of which I couldn't cover some of the latest products that were launched. I'm not talking about Samsung products here, every media outlet covers them. I'm here specifically for a Xiaomi product, a smartwatch to be precise. Yes, I'm talking about Watch S1 Pro. It carries a price tag of yuan 1499, roughly $222, and it offers some of the premium features you will find in the Galaxy Watch 5 lineup. Although this is in no way a comparison between these two products, they are built at different price points, and at the moment the S1 Pro is only available in China. Moving on to the Watch S1 Pro's design, Xiaomi has given the new wristwatch a somewhat more athletic design aesthetic-wise. Given that the glass is sapphire and the 46mm round dial is housed in a stainless steel unibody, there shouldn't be any issue with the build while in normal usage. On the right side there is a digital crown and a nearly invisible button. The smartwatch features a 1.47-inch AMOLED display bearing a resolution of 480 by 480 pixels and 600 nits of brightness. It is water resistant up to 5 meters. The battery is 500 mAh, so it seems these watches are progressively getting bigger battery, which is good. It's claimed to deliver 15 days of battery usage on a full charge, and it supports magnetic charging as well as reverse charging with a compatible phone. Now before we get to the health features, let me tell you about the processor. Actually, the only thing we know about the processor is that it's 12nm, which is all we really need to know. This isn't as good as the Snapdragon W5 Plus line of processors, but it will do just fine. As for health and tracking activity, it is equipped with a 24-hour heart rate monitor and SpO2 sensor. It is capable of tracking sleep patterns, stress levels and skin temperature, which is also available on Galaxy Watch 5 series, but we don't know how accurate this one is. There are more than 100 workout options on the wearable. Additionally, the watch offers dual-band GPS for tracking outdoor activities, then that's NFC for online payments, Bluetooth 5.2 and Wi-Fi connectivity. It also supports third-party applications and runs on MIUI. There are many other features like music playback, controlling Xiaomi TV, flashlight and a voice assistant among others. Well, that covers everything we know about this smartwatch. Thanks for watching, and as always, catch you in the next one.